Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete reposted videos on TikTok. Let's launch TikTok app first. Then you want to head to your own profile and then you want to go to the section where you have stored all the videos that you previously reposted. It will be the third section over here, the reposted content. So now you want to click on the video that you previously reposted, right? And then you want to hit the share arrow underneath over here. You see you have three different sections. You want to focus on the middle section, and I want you to click on the first yellow icon which it says remove repost. Now the repost has been removed. If you go back to our profile, you will see that we no longer have this video under our archive as a reposted content. And this is how you remove repost content on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.